What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, QQQ, S&P 500, and Solana. Now, interesting, in the last video we had focused in on the fact that I truly believe there is a very big chance we may have just hit the bottom. And if we did hit the bottom, this is huge news across the board. As you can see in the video I wrote, this is your last chance to take advantage, as we could be hitting the bottom. I'm starting to notice most all the cryptocurrencies are looking like that is a big possibility. Now you can see here we have XRP to look at. We have a descending broadening wedge forming right here on XRP. Pulling this up for you guys to reference here. This is what a descending broadening wedge looks like. If it would like to load, there we go. And if we compare this to XRP, you can see how we have the flagpole up and then this descending broadening wedge down. So lower highs and lower lows. As we scale down, there's a candle that closes above this downtrend here, closes the daily, and it then expects to see a bullish breakout. You can see that is exactly what we're experiencing on XRP. Beautiful flagpole up, lower high, lower low down. You can see just like this, lower high, lower low. And now we found a bottom support, which is awesome, right at $2.02. And you can see we are slowly starting to fill in this gap. We got back above the moving average here, and now we are starting to very nicely fill this in, and hopefully real soon, we'll be able to confirm that candle above this price ceiling, this resistance on the daily, and be able to see that rally that we're all expecting here. Again, we are what appears to be the formation of a head and shoulders, which would inevitably lead to a downtrend. So this being said, would probably expect to see something like this moving forward here. And this honestly would be the easiest and I'd say most realistic move for XRP, as I don't believe we haven't seen the bull market yet. I think the bull market came, it left its name. I mean, anybody that says otherwise, it hit all-time highs. $3.40 on XRP is insane. And here we are now going to expect to see one last quarterly run and then a little pump to the downside. Solana has broken out of its descending fractal. This is good news. Ethereum is on the up and up. As you can see, we are consolidating out here, and then we are looking for a reversal back up to moving average here. Bitcoin, you can see, is slowly starting to see its uptrend forming here, so we can now draw in this uptrend, very similar with the previous supports here as we've done. So this is on the up and up. QQQ is officially on Friday closed above major resistance. We are opening with a green candle today, which means there's a good chance we are going to also be on the up and up. Same thing with the S&P, having a very nice bullish day today. You can see there's a good chance we are now going to see this run. Thursday was that rock bottom point that we hit, and now what we are looking for ideally is movement to the upside here. Truly, like I said, sorry for the interruption, you can see we hit a bottom just like this, and now what I would likely expect to see happen is rally up, as we are starting to see here. Something along the lines of that is what I'm looking for, because we confirmed the bottom retest, and now we're starting to see those green candles. So that's my opinion. I'll go more in depth in it in a minute with you guys, but with that being said, make sure to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's get right into today's episode. Now, for those that might not know, I'm obviously not in my office, and I'm not going to be like that for the next couple of days, but things will be back to normal on a new time schedule. It's weird because currently this is where I am is 3 hours earlier, so the time these videos come out are going to be weird. Like it's probably 11, 12, 1, 2 p.m. Where Eastern Standard Time is being released, and here it's 11. So it's like I feel like I'm late, but I'm not late, but we are late. So just bear with me. Things will go back to normal moving later on in the week. Next week, things will be normal. But you can see here, the winner for last week's giveaway here was for $300. You can see for an ROI weekly bonus here. This is the UID. So if this is you, you got $300 in USDT deposited into your account. For those that might want to, take advantage of this here, there are those opportunities still available. They're doing weekly ROI bonuses, BYDFI, up until April 1st. So there's about 2 more left here with trading volumes of 300 USDT, ROI ranking rewards, 500 USDT, 300, 200. So basically this is weekly. And then at the end of the giveaway, April 1st, they'll do a trading volume and an ROI ranking bonus giveaway here. So you can definitely take advantage of it. Anyone can get in on this with the link down in the description below, or if you've already signed up, you're already entered then automatically. But make sure to check it out if you haven't already. BYDFI is the best exchange. More info on that later. But you can see here on the coin market cap, we aren't doing too bad. We're up 1% right now, no longer in the fear, extreme fear. We're at 22, and you can see Bitcoin's up 7.5% for the week. We're up about 0.5% for past 24 hours. Nothing's really happening in regards to the past 24 hours, but in the week, we are really starting to see a reversal. XRP up 15%, BNB up 17%. Like, these cryptocurrencies are really starting to see a run to the upside here. So I'm excited. Hopefully, you guys are excited too, as I do strongly believe we are going to be seeing something like this in the very near future. But aside from these cryptos consolidating, like you can see across the board, consolidation, a little bit of an uptrend, consolidation here. What I am looking for right now is reversal. I am expecting that we did bottom off. I'll start with XRP and go from there. But you can see here what we are looking for. We look good. We've consolidated enough. We fell all the way down to, what is this? It's 37 on the RSI, now going up to 50 here. You can see descending broadening wedge, as I showed you before. We kind of have these little runs where you retest for ceiling, not strong enough, we break. Retest again, bulls are not strong enough, we break. Retest again, bulls are not strong enough, we break. Well, here we are getting for the next one, filling in the gap, stuck between the price ceiling and the moving average here. As we fill this in, we are looking to hopefully breach this resistance here and rally up. That's truly the goal here, the long-term expectation that I see happening. And it's not as long-term anymore. March 22nd, that's next week, we could see that earliest break, truly. But at any moment, it could happen here. But we look really good as we did rebound nicely off support a couple of days ago here, reversing back up or above this moving average here on XRP. So there's a lot riding on us that we do have one last break. And I think it's going to look something like this. And as you can see, that pattern would then be a head and shoulders with the neckline clearly drawn out, being this green band. And then we'll have this one last pump, and then we'll dump, and that'll send us into May, June, July, the rest of the year. But we don't look bad, and I think these are very easy indicators that we'll be able to track moving forward here, and that's why I'm really not surprised or nervous, and if we end up dumping, we'll be prepared for it. It won't be as shocking as before. We'll do all these trades on BYDFI, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Every single thing you'd want on an exchange is offered on BYDFI, which is excellent if you ask me. So aside from that, for those that don't know what BYDFI is, they do have a reward center that I want to show you. So on top of the trading competition that you guys can enter that ends April 1st, they have new user rewards up to $8,100 in free bonus cryptocurrency. By legit doing some of these things down here, you can earn bonus. And I've seen some of you guys do, last person got the 8,000 USDT bonus, which is pretty incredible. And basically after you trade, you can get this and then take all your money out and just use this as bonus money to trade and leverage this, and you'd be able to pretty much trade for a very long time, pretty much on BYDFI's dime, using their money. So it's a pretty neat thing that they do offer here. But aside from that, they do have daily rewards that you guys can claim, which is pretty simple here. Exclusive rewards, hot rewards, and my favorite part is this demo trading account, which gives you 50K in demo money to practice your skills, get familiar with the exchange, learn how everything works, practice, learning trading XRP that they have on the demo here. Trade around, you can see right here, and practice your skills. And if you can make some consecutive positive trades using the demo account here, then you probably have what it takes on a live account. But it's a way to not get rusty, to sharpen your skills. And then when you're ready, you can do everything on that live account. But aside from that here, you do have Solana here, which is in this descending fractal, which doesn't look half bad. You can see slowly starting to consolidate down, but we just now started to confirm closure outside of here. So we seem to be stuck in this little trend here, which is interesting, as we've done before as a support. But what we're looking for is a breach. And I think we will see this at some point. When everything else moves, this would move, because we are undervalued. We're well below, you can see here, the moving average. So I do believe we are going to move up to it. It's just going to be a matter of time. But I do think we do have this next possibility of a run to happen with Solana. Same thing with XRP. Ethereum looks like it's going to start to do the same thing, move up to moving average here. Bitcoin, similarly. You can see we've discovered, that was weird. You can see we have these uptrends here. I'm going to delete this one for right now. But you can see how we consistently kind of consolidate up, and then consolidate up. And truly, what we're going to expect is another retest back to moving average, and hopefully we can break through that. But ideally, on the up and up. QQQ and the S&P, that's where I'm really focused on, because I truly believe that there's a chance that we did bottom out here and we're going to start to head up. I do believe that this is a very big possibility because we just had a major scaling down. This could be still in line with the downtrend here. You can see on QQQ, like we have multiple points of confirmation. Check it out here, here, here. Here's another one. So like, unless we just continue to spiral lower, which I don't think is going to happen, I do believe we should move up like that. And this could be it. This really could be that movement here, but anything's up, for grabs at this point. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.